Welcome to Beautyistic, everyone. Now, if you're gearing up for the holiday season and need a lash look that can stand out at every celebration, I think I've got something that'll really help you shine. Today, we're talking about the Maybelline Lash Sensational Holiday Makeup Kit. And trust me, this one's a must-have for the season. It comes with 2 full-size mascaras that promise to take your lashes to new heights. So, if you're looking for a dramatic lash impact to pair with your holiday glam, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated on all our reviews. The Sky High Duo Holiday Kit is a limited edition set, and here's what you get. A full-sized Sky High Mascara in Blackest Black, which is the perfect go-to for everyday volume and length, plus a full-size Sky High Space Diamond Glitter Mascara, which adds a gorgeous, sparkly finish for that extra glam factor. If you want lashes that truly pop, this set promises to give you exactly that. Let's dive into how these 2 mascaras work together to give your lashes the attention they deserve. First, let's talk about the Sky High Mascara, the original. This mascara is all about giving your lashes both length and volume. What I love is the Flex Tower Mascara Brush, which bends and flexes to really grab each lash from root to tip. It's not just about adding volume, but it extends your lashes to give them a beautiful, flirty look. Whether you're going for a natural day look or building layers for a more dramatic evening look, this mascara delivers. Then we have the Sky High Space Diamond Glitter Mascara. If you're looking to add a little sparkle to your holiday look, this is your new best friend. Layer this over the Sky High Mascara to add dimension and shine to your lashes. It's infused with micro glitters that catch the light and give you a shimmering effect that's perfect for those festive occasions. Plus, it's not overly chunky or heavy, so your lashes will still feel lightweight and fluttery, but with that added twinkle. In terms of wearability, both mascaras perform well throughout the day. I tested them during a few long days at work, and while the Sky High Mascara held up without flaking or smudging, I did notice the Space Diamond Glitter, adding a touch of sparkle that stayed intact as well. They were both easy to remove at the end of the day, so no complaints there either. Now, as we're wrapping up this review, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, both mascaras deliver on length and volume. The Sky High Mascara gives that everyday full lash look that's not too heavy, but still dramatic. The Space Diamond Glitter Mascara is great for adding a little extra holiday magic to your lashes. Plus, the packaging is perfect for gifting this season. On the flip side, if you're looking for a waterproof option, these mascaras are not water resistant, so they may not be the best choice for events where you expect to sweat, or if you're wearing them for extended periods. And while the glitter mascara is gorgeous, it might be too much for those who prefer a more natural lash look. In terms of value for money, this kit gives you a lot of bang for your buck. You're getting 2 full-size mascaras for the price of 1, and the performance is solid for both length and volume. The glitter formula adds a fun twist, perfect for the holiday season. As for alternatives, there are plenty of mascaras out there that give similar results, like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise or the Maybelline The Falsies, but this duo gives you both regular volume and a festive sparkle. So if you're into versatile products, this is a great set to have. Plus, it's a great gift whether you're buying it for someone else or yourself. So, would I recommend the Maybelline Lash Sensational Holiday Makeup Kit? Absolutely. Whether you're a fan of the classic black mascara for everyday wear, or you want to amp up your lashes with a little festive glitter, this set has you covered. It's affordable, delivers great results, and is perfect for the holiday season. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in grabbing this kit, the link is in the description or comments below. And if you've tried this mascara duo, let me know what you think. Drop a comment below and share your experience with us. Thanks again for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.